Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sid The Baker. Now I've been thrown out of the kitchen today because my wife's using the kitchen all day today, so I'm actually in the dining room. And I want to take this opportunity to show you how to make a really cheap and really efficient proofer, or as they call them these days, proofers. I'm not going to say I'm a genius. Right, what is a proofer? Proofer, well, it's somewhere where you can make your bread rise. I've showed you in the past I use a slow cooker when I'm making a loaf tin. But what happens when you put your stuff on a tray and you want to do bread rolls, tea cakes, hot cross buns are coming up soon, that sort of thing? Well, you're going to need something that's a little bit bigger. So I've come up with this idea and it works really well and it's really cheap. First of all, get yourself one of these containers. You've seen them in all the supermarkets, the DIY stores and that. They're not very dear, they're just the plastic storage containers. You want a nice tall one, the bigger the better really, nice tall one. And all I did was this, I got a light fitting, drilled a hole in the top of it, put the light fitting in, connect it to a cord with a plug on the end, and I've got, from the pet shop, I've got a heat bulb, the sort they have in the vivariums, and that's all you need. Now I'll just switch this on and you can see. There you go, can you see that now? Now, when you've got your tray with your ice rolls or your tea cakes or whatever on it, you just slip it under there, just like that. And it'll be nice and warm in there. But what I also do, I also get a jug and I put some boiling hot water in it. And I put the hot water next to the tray in there, because that makes steam, and because you want it damp in there as well as warm, because that stops your dough from skinning over. So once you've got it warm and damp and you can see through it how big your dough's getting, it's perfect. Thank you.